Good day, Madam Sir. My name is Madeline, 37 years old. I am from Pangasinan, Philippines. I am married. I have two sons, age 9 and 1 year old, and two daughters, age 17 and 11 years old. My highest education at I'm a high school graduate. My expertise is child care because I'm a mother also. I worked as domestic helper to Hong Kong from 2017 to 2019. I served three members of the family, one mom and two teenager twin boy, aged 46 and 21 years old. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of four cats, also the household chores like cooking, washing, washing clothes, ironing, car washing, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and support them financially. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, how I wonder what you are. For my future employer, please choose me because I'm honest, trustworthy, responsible, and hardworking. I promise to finish my 2 years contract and stay to your family as long as you need me. Thank you, Mom, Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.